How to fix active status on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Android. Click on the Messenger here and the Messenger will appear in front of you. This is the screen or desktop of your Messenger app. You can see different options at the bottom like the chats, calls, people and the stories. Now we have to click on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. Click on this gear option and you can fix your active status. It means when you are turned on and other people are turned on, you will unable to see the green mark that they are turned on or off or online or offline. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Just you have to click on active status. When you turn it on, show when you are active or show when you are active together. Just you have to turn it on, and in this way you can fix this problem by turning it on. Now you can easily able to see the other people whether they are online or offline, and other people will be able to see your status. Are you active or not on Facebook Messenger? This procedure is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.